Dubai's airport hotels are the pinnacle of luxury and convenience, nestled among the glistening desert sands and rising into the sky like towering skyscrapers. You've come to the ideal place if you're a restless person looking for luxury and comfort only a short distance from the busy airport terminals. So in today's video, we have something great to show you. Any guesses? Well, we are talking about the 10 best hotels closest to Dubai Airport. So bear with us because you'll be completely amazed after watching this video. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for keep getting the cool updates. Here we go. Number 1. Premier Inn Dubai International Airport Hotel. For those passing through the city or those looking for lodging close to the airport, the Premier Inn Dubai International Airport Hotel is a well-liked hotel that is situated close to Dubai International Airport. Generally speaking, the hotel offers guests free internet access, enabling them to stay connected. Due to its proximity to Dubai International Airport, the hotel frequently offers complimentary shuttle service to and from the airport for the convenience of its guests. The hotel front desk assists guests with check-in, check-out, and other requirements 24/7. Most Premier Inn hotels provide a restaurant with a range of meals. Visitors may relax in a bar. The hotel often has a gym for active guests. Business travelers can use meeting rooms. The pleasant rooms have air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, and coffee/tea machines. Showers are usually in each room's bathroom. Premier Inn hotels frequently have gyms, although amenities vary. Some Premier Inn hotels offer massages or other relaxing activities without a spa. Prices for upcoming dates for a room start at $34 per night. Number 2. Holiday Inn Express Dubai Airport. Another well-liked hotel option for people looking for lodging close to Dubai International Airport is Holiday Inn Express Dubai Airport. A free breakfast is offered to visitors at many Holiday Inn Express hotels, offering it an easy way to start the day. Like the majority of contemporary hotels, this one typically offers free internet connection all across the place. Due to its proximity to Dubai International Airport, the hotel offers complimentary shuttle service. Holiday Inn Express Dubai Airport has a gym with basic equipment for active guests. Holiday Inn Express Dubai Airport's rooms are designed for comfort and convenience. Rooms provide air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, and coffee/tea makers. Each room has a private bathroom, which is normally furnished with a shower and basic supplies. Comfortable beds, top-notch linens, and a variety of pillows to ensure a good night's sleep. Although Holiday Inn Express hotels don't always have a restaurant on site, they frequently have a dining area or breakfast room where visitors can get a free breakfast and some light beverages. Prices for upcoming dates start at $45 per night. Number 3. Jumeirah Creekside Hotel. This hotel offers a variety of amenities, stylish rooms, and other facilities to ensure guests have a memorable and comfortable stay. It is a member of the acclaimed Jumeirah Group. Typically, the hotel offers a wide range of dining alternatives, including sophisticated restaurants, cafes, and pubs that serve food from all over the world. Gourmet meals and fascinating culinary experiences are available to guests. Outdoor swimming pools are a frequent feature at Jumeirah Creekside Hotel, where visitors may unwind, cool off, or simply recline in the sun. The hotel typically has a cutting-edge fitness center with cutting-edge exercise equipment. During their stay, visitors can continue their exercise habits. The lavish spa and wellness facility of the Jumeirah Creekside Hotel normally offers a variety of reviving therapies, massages, and treatments for total relaxation. The rooms are elegantly furnished with contemporary furniture, luxurious linens, and chic decor. The majority of en-suite bathrooms come with opulent fixtures, separate showers, and bathtubs. Visitors may enjoy views of Dubai Creek, the city skyline, or the sumptuous gardens around the hotel, depending on the accommodation category. Minimum prices for a room start at $82 per. Number 4. Le Meridien Dubai Hotel and Conference Center. It provides a refined and upmarket experience for both leisure and business guests as a member of the Le Meridien Hotel Group. Le Meridien Dubai Hotel and Conference Center normally provides a variety of amenities to make sure visitors have a relaxing and enjoyable stay. The hotel is noted for its many restaurants, including foreign and regional ones. The hotel's outdoor pools let guests relax, sunbathe, and enjoy Dubai's weather. A luxurious spa and wellness center of the hotel pampers visitors and promotes relaxation with a variety of treatments, massages, and therapies. Le Meridien Dubai has a modern gym with top-notch equipment for visitors who want to exercise. Modern furnishings are skillfully used to decorate the rooms, which results in a stylish and welcoming atmosphere. For the enjoyment of the visitors, flat-screen TVs and entertainment systems are provided in the rooms. The bathrooms and suites are frequently luxuriously furnished with expensive amenities, separate showers, and bathtubs. The majority of hotels offer free high-speed internet access in the rooms and public areas. Room prices start at $114 per night. Number 5. Flora Inn Hotel. The Flora Inn Hotel normally provides a variety of amenities to make sure visitors have a relaxing and delightful stay. In order to satisfy a range of palates, the hotel may have one or several restaurants or cafes. In Dubai, there are numerous hotels with outdoor pools where visitors may unwind, swim, and enjoy the sunshine. A guest fitness center with cutting-edge training equipment can be available at the Flora Inn Hotel. Given the value of being close to Dubai International Airport, the hotel may offer airport shuttle services for the convenience of its visitors. The hotel probably has a concierge desk to help visitors with a variety of services, like scheduling transportation, making reservations for tours, and giving them information about the area. Typically, the design in the rooms is cozy and welcoming, creating a relaxing atmosphere. Each room has a private bathroom, which is frequently furnished with contemporary equipment and necessities for hygiene. Flat-screen TVs, coffee/tea makers, minibars, and safes could be available in the rooms. Looks like most of you are still with us, so what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon right now for crazy stuff. Alright, let's continue. This hotel is a bit expensive and the prices start at $77 per night. Number 6. Holiday Inn Express Dubai Internet City. This hotel is well recognized for offering cozy, inexpensive lodging for both business and leisure guests. A variety of amenities are often provided by Holiday Inn Express Dubai Internet City to make sure that visitors have a comfortable and convenient stay. A complimentary breakfast buffet is often offered by the hotel, giving visitors a variety of ways to start the day. There may be a business center with computers and printing resources for business travelers. Air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, and coffee/tea makers are among the conveniences provided in the comfortably appointed rooms. Each room has a private bathroom that is attached and usually has a shower and basic supplies. Additional entertainment alternatives, such satellite TV channels, can be available in some rooms. There is no on-site fitness facility at this hotel. Prices are reasonable and start at $45 per night. Number 7. Millennium Airport Hotel Dubai. In the United Arab Emirates, the vicinity of Dubai International Airport is home to the reputable Millennium Airport Hotel Dubai. This hotel is a part of the franchise of Millennium Hotels and Resorts and is renowned for its outstanding service and convenient location for both business and leisure tourists. Typically, the hotel offers a wide range of dining alternatives, including restaurants, cafes, and bars that serve a wide variety of cuisines to suit varied preferences. The hotel frequently has an outside pool, giving visitors a tranquil area to recline and take in the Dubai weather. The typical furniture in the rooms is modern with a trendy style, which produces a warm and friendly feeling. Each room has its own bathroom, which is typically equipped with modern amenities and hygienic essentials. The hotel often provides complimentary high-speed internet access throughout the facility, including in the rooms. The gym at the hotel was built to provide guests with a space to work out and stay active while they are there. The fitness center typically has modern exercise equipment such as treadmills, stationary bikes, elliptical machines, weightlifting equipment, and more. Except the luxury rooms, the prices for a standard room start at $62 per night. Number 8. Rhoda Al Bustan. In Dubai, United Arab Emirates, there is a magnificent hotel called Rhoda Al Bustan. This hotel, which is a member of the Rhoda Hotels and Resorts chain, is renowned for giving its visitors an elegant and refined experience. The hotel often has a wide range of dining establishments, including numerous restaurants and bars that offer a wide variety of cuisines and dining experiences. Outdoor swimming pools are a frequent feature in Rhoda Al Bustan, where visitors may unwind, swim, and enjoy the sun in a peaceful environment. Customers can keep exercising at the hotel's well-equipped gym. Rhoda Al Bustan's luxurious spa and wellness center offers a variety of therapies, massages, and treatments to relax and rejuvenate. The room's decor beautifully incorporates modern comforts. Pillows, linens, and mattresses help guests sleep. All rooms have spacious bathrooms with showers and baths. Rhoda Al Bustan is near Dubai International Airport attractions and business sectors. Prices for a room start at $62 per night. Number 9. Al Diapha Hotel Apartments. In Dubai, United Arab Emirates, there is a well-known hotel apartment building called Al Diapha Hotel Apartments. A special kind of lodging known as hotel apartments combines the convenience and comfort of a hotel with the features and amenities of a fully furnished apartment. Both short-term and long-term guests enjoy a cozy and comfortable stay at Al Diapha Hotel Apartments. The hotel offers completely furnished apartments with distinct living, dining, and sleeping areas in contrast to standard hotel rooms. Apartments have stoves, refrigerators, microwaves, and cookware. It's ideal for long stays and self-catering. Al Diapha Hotel Flats rooms and flats are designed for comfort, Visitors can relax in the unit's bedrooms and living spaces. Depending on the room availability, the standard rooms start at $24 per night. Number 10. Pullman Dubai Creek City Center. This establishment, which is a member of the prestigious Pullman Hotels and Resorts brand, is recognized for offering opulent lodging and top-notch services. The hotel's location inside the city center Dara complex gives visitors easy access to places to buy, enjoy themselves, and conduct business. Typically, the hotel has a number of dining establishments, such as restaurants, pubs, and lounges, offering a variety of cuisines and dining experiences. Typically, Pullman Dubai Creek City Center has a well-stocked fitness room with cutting-edge training equipment for those who want to be active while visiting. The hotel typically has an opulent spa and wellness area with a range of therapies, massages, and treatments for unwinding and regeneration. The Pullman Dubai Creek City Center offers opulent and fashionable rooms and suites for a relaxing and elegant stay. The rooms are typically tastefully decorated with contemporary conveniences, resulting in an upscale atmosphere. The hotel usually offers free high-speed internet connection both in the rooms and across the property. The standard room price is $69 per night with all available amenities. Time to end the video here. Don't forget to tell us your favorite hotel in the comments, or if you're currently in one of those hotels right now, do let us know that too. Subscribe our channel for daily cool updates. Goodbye.